Narrow AI asterisk, also known as weak AI asterisk, refers to artificial intelligence systems that are designed and trained for a specific task or a limited set of tasks. These AI systems are characterized by their ability to perform well in the defined task or domain, but they lack the broader, generalized intelligence and understanding that humans possess. In essence, narrow AI is specialized and focused on a particular function, and it does not possess the capacity to transfer its knowledge or skills to other unrelated tasks. Key features of narrow AI, ANI, include 1. Specialization asterisk. Narrow AI systems are built to excel in a specific task, such as natural language translation, image recognition, or playing a game. 2. Limited scope asterisk. Their intelligence is confined to the predefined task, and they lack the ability to reason or understand concepts beyond their domain. 3. Training data asterisk. Narrow AI systems are trained on large datasets relevant to their specific task, enabling them to make predictions or decisions based on patterns and examples within that domain. 4. No consciousness asterisk. Unlike humans, narrow AI lacks consciousness, self-awareness, and the ability to think or adapt beyond its programmed parameters. 5. Common applications asterisk. Common examples of narrow AI include virtual personal assistants like Siri and Alexa, recommendation systems used by streaming services, and chatbots designed for customer support. 6. Performance optimization asterisk. These AI systems are fine-tuned to achieve optimal performance within their specific domain, making them highly efficient at their intended tasks. 7. Task automation asterisk. Narrow AI is often used for automating routine and repetitive tasks, improving efficiency and accuracy. Narrow AI has found wide application in various industries, from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and entertainment. While it lacks the general intelligence and adaptability of humans, it is highly valuable for solving well-defined problems and enhancing productivity in specific areas. The development and deployment of narrow AI systems continue to be a significant driver of technological innovation.